did we end up here? Our planet once balanced is now warming at an alarming rate. Climate change isn't just a buzzword, it's a reality. It's a long-term shift in temperatures and weather patterns, mainly caused by human activities from burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and many more. These impacts are everywhere, from melting ice caps, severe droughts, and disrupted ecosystem. But why is this happening to us, and what does it mean for our future?
What is climate change? Basically, what climate change is the long-term shift in the global or climate patterns. These changes are mainly driven by human activities, and they are causing the planet to warm up at a fast rate. And this leads to, for example, the melting of the glaciers, the rising sea level, and other extreme weather events that are happening. There is a variety of impacts of climate change in Namibia. Temperature is one of the changes that we are experiencing. So increasing temperatures in Namibia have been experienced. So basically, where we are looking at 2% increase over the past century in Namibia. Declining rainfall, so rainfall pattern have become more erratic with longer dry periods and more severe drought, particularly in the central and the southern region of Namibia. So in the past, basically, according to the scientific data that is available for Namibia, a drought used to occur every 7 years in Namibia. But this gap is now closing. So we are looking at drought now occurring every 4 to 5 years. So basically, because of this drought, the ecosystems are changing due to rising temperatures and reduced rainfall. The ecosystems are changing and they are becoming drier, and the desert is expected to expand. And therefore, we would have a lot of sensitive habitat that will be lost. So changing precipitation will then change the rainfall patterns in Namibia. Rainfall patterns in Namibia usually from October, November, we will usually receive our first rain and it will go through until April. But nowadays we are experiencing this change and we know now that rainfall pattern is really starting very late in Namibia, sometimes even in February when we have supposed to have received our highest rainfall in the country. So all this basically would then increase the droughts and it will then contribute to the irregular shift in seasons, which will then affect farmers because we are not prepared and our livestock are not prepared.
Climate change is real, and its impacts are unfolding before our eyes every day. Understanding these causes is one step towards tackling these global challenges. Stay with us as we continue to explore more about climate change.